Okay guys, here's my first update on the rice jars. We are going on day 38 now. It is May 30th and I posted the original video April 22nd, so that's when I began. The thing is a couple days ago I realized that the water that is in the jars currently is the salt water that I had originally put in them to clean. My intention was to change out the water, of course, after cleaning them, but instead I got ahead of myself and put the rice in the salt water. So this whole entire time the rice has been sitting in salt water, being preserved basically. So if there's one thing that I've learned in the 38 days, it's that salt water can be trusted to cleanse, preserve, all that good stuff. Anyway, yeah. So I'm going to have to start over, especially because I feel like I'm not getting anywhere with it. Here, I'll show you. Well, and after watching like other people's videos and stuff on this project, experiment, whatever, I know that the jars should be different than what they are right now. Some people go off of like including the smell of the jars. I'm kind of nervous to even open them up, so I'm definitely not going to have that in my results, I guess, right now. Whatever. So I still have some rice, got some new rice. I will use the same exact jars, same lids, and so I'm just going to empty the rice that's in there, change out the water, and add some new rice. So, yeah, that's about it. Also, I will mention that I have not been able to give the attention that each jar needed or whatever every single day for the past 38 days, seeing as I flew to California for a week and then I drove over there for another week, so 2 weeks out of the 38 days I have not been home. Now other people who have done the experiment have also noted that they don't like participate whatever every single day, but still, like, yeah, my project's not getting anywhere right now because of the salt water. So stay tuned for another update. And oops, my bad. So there they are. This is love, hate, ignore, the black sheep, the easy target, for change, nonconformist. And as you can see, they all look pretty much the same. I mean, there's a little bit of black, like on the rice in that one. That's about it. Okay, last minute change. I am actually going to keep the salt water jars, and then I just wrote like the date on them that I started those ones, and then I've got 4 new jars, and I just wrote like on the lids the exact same things. I just used a different color, and then I put the date on those ones, on the new jars for today, and also noted no salt water. So there will be no salt water, just regular good old tap water. Here they are. Okay, so there's the rice, the new jars, lids, wrote in blue, date, no salt water, and those are the first ones. So yeah, I figure that's better than getting rid of the jars that I started with and then not really knowing, you know, if there would be much of a difference or not, or whatever. I guess we'll see. Okay, so here I have both of the Ignore jars, and these are the ones that I had put out in the kitchen of my parents' house. So okay, there's the two hate jars, or worthless, next to their worthless money. The two love jars, and the two nonconformist, easy target black sheep jars.